I am going to be installing the 5000 BTU white Westinghouse in the room that this 5450 BTU Kenmore used to be in. This was requested by one of my viewers, so I'm going to do it. That is going to go in one of the upstairs bedrooms, which is where that one was last year, and I think it'll work just fine. Now, those windows are really small, so I hope it fits, but we'll find out, I guess. It's not really the width that I'm worried about, it's the height. As long as it's the same height as the older WCIs that I have, then it'll fit just fine. Just got the white Westinghouse installed. Let's start it up. That's high cool. There's low. It's very quiet. Has an LG compressor and a GE fan motor. This one is from 2001. Seems to be working pretty good. It's getting cold a little bit. This one takes a little while to build pressure and cool down, but once it does, it works fine. You can hear the refrigerant.